Good evening. Myself Panani Vedika. I am studying in standard 9C. I hope you all are fit, fine and healthy at your home. Well, today I am going to share my insights on pandemic crisis. ये बीमारी ऐसी है जिसके बारे में आज तक किसी ने कल्पना तक नहीं की होगी। जी इस कोविड ने आकर हमारी लाइफ का पूरा टाइम टेबल ही चेंज कर दिया। हमारा रूटीन, हमारा शेड्यूल था वो पूरा बिगाड़ दिया। पहले तो हम सुबह 5-6 बजे उठ जाते थे और स्कूल चले जाते थे और स्कूल से आकर खाना खाते थे और सो जाते थे और उठकर पढ़ाई, फिर खेलना, खाना और वापस सो जाना। तब तो टाइम ही कहाँ निकल जाता था, पता ही नहीं चलता था। फिर जब हॉलीडे वगैरह आती थी तो बाहर फ्रेंड्स या फैमिली के साथ घूमने चले जाया करते थे। सारे फेस्टिवल्स भी इतने हैप्पीनेस के साथ बनाया करते थे, लेकिन अब इस कोविड ने सब बंद करवा दिया। आई रियली मिसिंग माई दोज डेज। लेकिन हाँ, ये कोविड ने जितना हमारा नुकसान करवाया है उतना ही उसके कारण हमारा कितना फ़ायदा भी हुआ है। बिकॉज ऑफ इट वी कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद आवर फैमिलीज। बिकॉज ऑफ इट वी हैव सच अ wonderful time to make our future bright. We are able to develop our skills in these days. और हम ये जो टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ पढ़ रहे हैं, इट मे भी हमारे फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड है। मे भी हमें फ्यूचर में टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ पढ़ना पड़ेगा। डू यू नो, बहुत साल पहले लोग सालों तक अपने अपने घरों में लॉक थे बिना कुछ खाए पिए। तब भी ऐसी लॉकडाउन जैसी सिचुएशन खड़ी हुई थी, तब भी एक बीमारी आई थी। एंड वी कैन सी दैट ये 4 महीने के अंदर पूरा एटमोसफियर, ये वेदर पूरा चेंज हो गया था। एंड या हेड्स ऑफ टू ऑल दिस अनसंग कोविड वॉरियर्स हु आर forefront to save us. They ignored their comforts for our comforts to save us. Doctors are working at hospitals whole day. Policemen are standing outside without eating food for our provision. And our teachers have been incredible as they lived with zeal, commitment and creativity into this new way of online teaching. They will deserve our thanks and respect. Hope this COVID leaves soon and we all come back to our routine. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello, my MUS family. I hope that you are fit and fine with your family at home. Well, my name is Alisha Mansoori of class 9C, and today I am going to speak about pandemic crisis. Humans are intensively social creatures. We all need company and social contact, but for many of us, being stuck at home for such long periods can become frustrating. The problems that we all had faced in this pandemic, such as limited essentials are available only. We are not able to go to any religious places as all the religious places are closed. We have celebrated many festivals in lockdown only. When the lockdown was imposed, migrants from villages and small towns in cities have come to cities in search of job and better life. They lost their jobs. They faced the decision of walking back to the villages. Many migrant workers died due to hunger and starvation. Every day we go to our work, but in this pandemic, work from home is another contribution of our daily routines. The economic impact of the 2020 coronavirus in India has been largely disruptive. As the lockdown was in a vacation period of students, they are also feel very disappointment as they can't go to enjoy the vacation with friends. As exams of students also get cancelled and the schools are not open yet as the students are missing school so much in this period. Many people face mental problem as they are not prepared for staying at home for such a long period. Friends, as you know that yesterday was Independence Day, and I hope so that very soon we will also get independence from this coronavirus, and I hope that very soon our school also get start and we will meet soon. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
To all, my name is Gokari Henry from standard 9th. Today I will speak you about this corona situation. We all have many faces problems due to this lockdown. We cannot go outside and we only stay at home. Due to COVID-19, a pandemic, states government across the country temporarily closed schools, colleges and universities. Based on the current situation, it is uncertain when college, schools and university will be reopened. Undoubtedly, this is a critical time for the education sector. The COVID-19 pandemic that has forced colleges to take the virtual classes blew up. Educational dreams were ample condition, a computer or at least smartphone, a proper internet connection and an interpreting proper supply. Underprivileging and technical saving from the poor people will millions of children are struggle to study these online classrooms. The field of educational which never reached level is now promoted. Vibrating and bumpy lumpy as students are the teachers in villages, cities and towns struggle to cope more with demands of the times. I request you to stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.
Good evening. Myself Devanatia from 9C. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Well, today I am going to speak about my insights on this pandemic crisis. COVID-19 or coronavirus, as we all know, started in late 2019, but it affected India in March 2020 and now had become a global pandemic. Every day, the cases of corona are growing exponentially and the number of deaths have crossed the limits till now. But slowly and steadily, now everything is getting better. So in the past 5 months, we were suffering a lot as the work has closed up for all and we need to stay at our homes. The major loss was to the economic sector as the businesses have shattered up and also we were not able to go to our schools and religious places. Despite of all these difficulties, we have got a golden opportunity to spend time with ourselves and our families. Due to lockdown, the schools were also closed, so we had enough time to spend doing activities like dancing, singing and improving our maths. We all want the same, and that is freedom from this COVID-19. But now, we have started living a new normal life with masks and sanitizers. Hope we all get freedom soon from this COVID-19 and a salute to all the corona warriors as because of them we are safe. Last but not the least, hoping the schools will be start soon and we will be able to meet our friends as I am missing my unique school along with my unique friends. At last, stay home, stay safe, stay sanitized. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello friends, my name is Rudramra and I am in standard 10C and I am representing my school, MES English Medium High School. Today I will provide you my insights on the current pandemic crisis of COVID-19. Friends, as you know that we are between the COVID-19 pandemic crisis and that it has affected so much that our lifestyles have transformed. From wearing a mask to keeping ourselves sanitized, this is our normal lifestyle. These crises have affected drastically across the globe. Our government had to impose a severe lockdown across the country to control the situation. During the lockdown, we had to face many problems and limitations in many ways. It felt that our freedom was seized from ourselves. Earning members of the family could not go out of the family for the work for their livelihood. All the businesses were paused, and so the whole country was affected financially and economically. Many of the people lost their job due to the sudden break in businesses. Many people could not seize the freedom and earnings which proved fatal. People were limited to the normal routine work, their social duties and their social functions. All public places where people gathered were closed. Children could not play outdoor games but were limited to play indoor games only. Transportation and commuting was hampered. Migrants were also suffered as they could not return to their native places. The poor class of people affected the most, fighting against the hunger and poverty. During the crisis, our government, NGOs, charitable trust, institutions, and many groups of the people came forward to the help of distressed people to fight against the hunger. In this pandemic, all the doctors, paramedical staff, cleaning staff, police, as well as the military stood in our support as we salute them. Overall, we have learned to be ready and stand strong in this type of condition. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all watching this video. Myself, roll number 16, Mr. Rishi of Standard 10C of MES School. Today I had come here to share my insights in this pandemic crisis. Firstly, I will share my physical insights. Physically, I think each and every person in the world had done workout at home and changed their physical appearance. Even I had done also workout at home to change my physical appearance by doing yoga and other curricular activities with my dad and doing workout at home. Second, mentally. Mentally, I think many people had changed their thinking level about environment, other people's by staying at home. Even I had also changed my understanding level with my parents, my family members, and my friends too. I think mentally many people had changed their thinking level about the other people's which are staying with their home too. Third, economically. I think economically each and every person in the world had felt a problem as we are at home and our income was stopped. Even I had felt a little bit of problem too. Whether it is a teacher or a businessman, they all had faced a problem. But for that solution, we had work from home. Now it is also going on. The teachers had stay at home and we are at home and study is continued. For little bit of their more solution, we should accept our local goods and not exactly boycott but use less of foreign goods. Our Pradhan Mantri Sri Narendra Modi had also told today that hashtag vocal for local. Socially, I think many golden-hearted people had come in front and helped the poor peoples and laborers in crisis of food and to go reach their home. Emotionally, just one line I want to tell is that we all will miss our old life, which was before this pandemic crisis. And especially, I miss my friends and others, teachers, and other people too.
A very good morning to one and all. This is Krisha Mistry from MUS English High School. Today, I will be communicating on the topic my insights on pandemic crisis. So, when I observe this topic, I can see two aspects. The first aspect is how people are influenced mentally and physically. The second aspect is how people are affected socially and economically. When I talk about first aspect, we all know that COVID-19 pandemic has impacted the mental health of the people all over the world. People are frustrated, upset, even they are in fear of protecting their loved ones, fear of uncertainty. Even the studies reveal that 73% of the people are experiencing depression and 83% are in distress. But in these circumstances, we have to take care of our mental health. Psychological well-being during this time is as important as overseeing your physical health. Now, the second aspect, as the world lockdown ease, economy faces an enormous challenge till dates. The world has shut itself down. Nearly all the countries of the world are passing through this lockdown for more than 3 months. The restaurants, the television, sports, lunchrooms, and several malls are in huge loss. Not only economically, but they are also affected socially. The education of the student is in huge loss. A man needs someone to express his feelings, his opinions, someone who diligent him. We humans desire society to convey. Therefore, we are celebrating festivals. But in this occurrence, this is not reasonable to glorify them. Therefore, at last, I would like to say that please take care of your family and playmates. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi, I am Kansar Arzida from Standard 10th A from MUS English Medium High School. I would like to share my experience during this pandemic period. Me and my family members were home quarantined since last 4 weeks, as I am living in an area which was highly contaminated prior. But with the God's sake, now it is all okay here. It was very hard for me in the starting of this pandemic period as we all stay connected with each other. My other activities had stopped since this pandemic period started. As we know, this pandemic crisis has increased a lot. So I thought to continue with my other activities like drawings and making origami miniatures at home. It was very difficult for us to celebrate all the festivals came during this lockdown, as we celebrate festivals with gatherings at relative homes. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi said to maintain social distancing. We are not able to gather to celebrate all the festivals came during this lockdown. So I planned to celebrate festivals with each other through video calling and conference calls. It was very difficult for my father to maintain economical balance. He faced so many problems during this lockdown. He is now happy as job started. India is facing such a critical situation which is very difficult to handle. We were not able to celebrate Independence Day as we have to maintain social distancing. So I salute our real heroes like nurses, doctors and policemen who takes risk to fight against corona. I heartily thank teachers of MUS schools. They are very cooperative and hardworking towards their students. I am proud of my MUS school which is very supportive. At last, I would like to say, stay home, stay safe.
Hello everyone, myself Dia Italia sharing my views on this COVID-19 pandemic crisis. The outbreak of COVID-19 has created a global health crisis that has a deep impact on the way we perceive our environment and our everyday lives. Young people are particularly at risk to the disruptions the pandemic has created, and many are now at risk of being left behind in education, economic opportunities, and health and well-being during the crucial stage of their life development. Young people are most likely to be unemployed or to be in an unsteady job contracts and working arrangements and thus lack adequate social protection. At the same time, young people are responding to the crisis through public health promotion, volunteering and innovation. Lakhs of people had lost their lives and many are suffering from lack of food and money, and our warriors are fighting towards this strongly. But at the same time, it has created protective environments, taught people problem solving skills, and identified and supported people at risk. Let's fight this pandemic by maintaining proper social distancing, washing hands after particular time period regularly, and covering our face when we go out. Let's hope that we will soon unlock the pandemic-free atmosphere using the major keys of precautions, medicines and prayers. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Jain Piyush from Standard 11th B. Today my topic is my insights on pandemic crisis. As pandemic crisis has changed many things, due to that even our school has turned on online classes. As I am not able to go to school to meet my friends and teachers, here are some of my emotions that I miss in my online classes. Bed or sofa is very comfortable, but last bench is an emotion. You can use your own pen and pencil, but select pen day is an emotion. You can chat with your friend, but kaisa hai is an emotion. You can play PUBG and Ludo, but games period is an emotion. अब कुछ सेंटेंसेस जो पेंडेमिक क्राइसिस के पहले कैसी हुआ करती थी और अब कैसी है. पहले मे आई कमिंग, अब जूम वाला बोलता है द होस्ट विल लेट यू इन सून. पहले क्लास में बेंच पर तबला बजाते थे, अब बैकग्राउंड में म्यूजिक चलाते हैं. पहले पेरेंट्स वाईफाई कनेक्शन कट करवा रहे थे कि बच्चे पढ़ सके, अब पेरेंट्स वाईफाई कनेक्शन डलवा रहे हैं क्योंकि बच्चे पढ़ सके. पहले बेल बजने का वेट करते थे, अब जूम टाइम लिमिट एग्जॉस्ट होने का वेट करते हैं. अब कुछ जो कॉमन सेंटेंसेस जो मैं डेली ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में सुनता हूँ. हेलो, एम आई ऑडिबल? स्टूडेंट्स, सॉरी टीचर, आवाज क्रैक हो रही है. टीचर, बच्चों आपका नेटवर्क इशू होगा. लास्ट
Hello friends, me Raj Gajjar studying in MUS English Medium High School of class 11th Commerce. Today my topic is about the insight of pandemic crisis. The crisis started from 21st March 2020. In our country, we had suffered a lot of period in lockdown. Pandemic crisis affect our physical, mental, economical, social and emotional status. Physically, we are scared to touch anyone, even our family members also, that from where and which person they will meet. Second, mentally. Our mental health was so much affected that we see every person suspiciously that he or she be a corona patient or not. Because of that reason, we don't touch our belonging too. Third, economically. The common people and the middle class people were so economically affected because there was no resource to generate money. Think how they feed their family also, and the regular payments are going on. Fourth, social. There is so much social instability in people, and there were so many doubts are raised on the religion of people. Fifth, emotional. Each and every person was so sad due to this lockdown situation. Especially the children were so excited to enjoy this summer vacation. But in this lockdown situation, they can't enjoy their vacations also. In this lockdown period, many festivals has been passed like Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami and our Independence Day and so on. Thank you to all for listening me. So, stay home, stay safe, stay happy.
Hello friends and respected teachers. My name is Shatanvi from Standard 11th P. My topic is Insight on Pandemic Crisis. As we all know that the whole world is suffering from coronavirus which has led humans' life in danger. How is this spreading? What are the precautions that we should take to stop this? Will this end? So many questions. But the answer is how we are preventing ourselves from not getting infected by this virus. On 24th March 2020, the Government of India under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ordered a nationwide lockdown for 21 days, limiting movement of the entire 1.3 billion population of India as a preventive measure against the COVID-19 pandemic in India. Shri Narendra Modi said that the only solution to control the spread of coronavirus was to break the cycle of transmission through social distance. By this, people stayed at home with their family and stopped moving outside the house, but it didn't work. The cases are increasing day by day and hospitals are full of COVID patients. So, as a awake citizen, we should follow the rules given by the government. Wear mask before stepping out of the house, maintain social distance, use sanitizers before going out and after coming back, etc. Now moving further, I'll discuss about some advantages of coronavirus. We have started conversations with our family like spending time at home and helping each other in different activities. Thus, it has brought us close to our family. We have started eating healthy food, drinking more water and fresh juice. Exercising regularly is an indeed great idea as it helps us to stay fit. Now I'll discuss about some disadvantages of coronavirus. As this pandemic has took over the whole world, there were many crises which took place like people lost their jobs, family members, numbers of workers and middle class families committed suicide as they couldn't afford their expenses. It has also affected India's many other nations' economy. Their economy rate is decreasing day by day. Thus, the whole world is suffering and will suffer even more. Because of this epidemic calamity, it has affected India's festivals and people's joy. Before this universal disaster, we would celebrate all the carnivals gracefully with a lot of joy. But this year, it all has been destroyed. The world is expecting to be cured and to be released from the prison of this disaster COVID-19. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for listening.
इंसान अपने आप को भगवान समझ बैठा था, इसलिए कुदरत को जवाब देना ही पड़ा। कहते हैं जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है और वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है। कोई रूठा है तो कोई टूटा, कोई रूठा है तो कोई टूटा है, कोई भूखा है तो कोई लाचार, कोई खामोश है तो कोई आक्रोश, कोई किसी को छू ना पाया, चाहकर भी अलविदा कह ना पाया। यही संकट का समय है जिसने अपनों को अपनों से मिलाया, दूर होकर सबको एहसास दिलाया। यादों के पल ताज़ा कर ले, आज फिर थोड़ी सी मज़ा ही कर ले। यही संकट का समय है, चलो किताबों में फिर से रंग भरे, घर घर छोटे पौधे रोप ले। यहाँ हजाम भी हम ही रसोइया, यहाँ हजाम भी हम ही रसोइया, और सबको फिर से एहसास कराया कि तुझ में ही हजारों रूप है छाए, कि तुझ में ही हजारों रूप है छाए। कोई देश पाकर भी कुछ पा ना पाया, ना लज्जा रही ना विश्वास, पर मेरे देश ने एक नया कदम बढ़ाया, शहीद जवान को न्याय दिलाया। बॉयकॉट चाइना नारा लगाया, देश को अपने आत्मनिर्भर बनाया। अर्थतंत्र बदल सा गया, अर्थतंत्र बदल सा गया, पर शिक्षा व्यवस्था ने नया मार्ग बनाया, पर शिक्षा व्यवस्था ने नया मार्ग बनाया। ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई की बात है आई, ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई की बात है आई, शाला ने अपनी फर्ज निभाई। हनुमान चालीसा के पाठ सुनाए, संकट के समय महाभारत रामायण याद है आई, महाभारत रामायण याद है आई। कोरोना की वैक्सीन का तो पता नहीं, पर हाँ एक बात भूलकर भी भूलना नहीं, इस महामारी ने सबके जीवन में वैक्सीन के रूप में फिर से जीने की परिभाषा दिखाई। आखिरकार जो होता है अच्छे के लिए ही होता है, और वही होता है जो मंजूर खुदा होता है। थैंक यू बाय नैन्सी कथीरिया फ्रॉम 12th IQCS.
Good morning, all the amazing soul. My name is Nishcha Dikshit. In my view, I see Corona pandemic as sanitizer of Earth, as it sanitizes our Mother Earth. It made our Earth clean, water clear, air clear, and it made a sense after a long time that we have a family out of profession. It is really painful that lots of lives lost, but as pandemic meant it. A civilization takes a long time to be changed, but if you look at the entire human civilization, the COVID-19 pandemic was the shortest period to change the entire human civilization. It changed our culture, our belief, our way of expression, our way of celebration. It was not easy for us to accept that somebody has stopped us from living free. And that was more the fear of this pandemic than the pandemic. Actually, we all have a fear of this unseen enemy. So it is always better to be careful against this unseen enemy. But excess use of masks may lead to asthma and many more lungs related issues. Oh, that's remind me of an idiom in Gujarati. Bakru katta, oont paisyu. Means on removing goats, camel herd entered. So I personally believe that pandemic is dangerous, but the fear of pandemic is more dangerous. Avoiding people may lead to depression or may affect mental health. Ultimately, we all are human beings, social animals, right? Students are facing difficulties in online lectures, people are losing jobs, businessmen are workless. So it can never be a solution to be hidden with fear, but to live a normal life with full precautions. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Firstly, I want to thank the care workers, the doctors, the helpers who are selflessly continue their day-to-day duties. The pain is already felt by the loss of our loved ones, and together we are tackling this disease. If we are united and isolated, then we will succeed soon. Stay at home and eat healthy food. The pride is who we are, is defines our present and our future. Take challenges and turn the situation into an opportunity. This situation is tough, but we have to get tougher than this, as this generation is as strong as any. As precautions are better than cureness, make a habit of washing your hands before you eat, sanitize yourself when you enter your home, and maintain social distancing. Even small things makes a huge difference. We will be with our friends again. We will be with our families again. We will meet again. Be strong, be positive. Thank you.
Hello all, this is Shreya Patel from 12th IQCS. I am going to share my insights on the pandemic crisis. I think the COVID 19 pandemic has very deep impressions on the mind and heart of people, those who had gone through it and even are going through it. In India, most of the people had a kind of mentality that मेरी immunity बहुत अच्छी है, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, due to which people living near them had a very high risk of being infected. Whenever I had some free time, I used to search for some information regarding my area of interest. Similarly, many of the people who are busy with their work schedule are now getting enough me time to invest in their own skills and development. According to me, the most pitiful life is of the poor and the health and co-health workers. Poor who earn for their family on their daily basis are now deprived of their basic needs. Health and co-health workers has to service the nation almost 20 hours a day and are deprived of even meeting their own families. Thinking about after pandemic situation, being optimistic is the only thing that can help. According to my elders, post-pandemic situation is going to be the worst. Because of pandemic, global economy is crashing. There's loss in stock market, business and all other things. Though digital world is coping up with the situation better than other sectors, overall, the economy would incur great loss. This will lead to monetary crisis, especially for the common man, which will in return result in the increased crime rates. Pandemic has some of its own benefits, one of which is that the nature is rejuvenating. Also, the pharma industries are now developing at a very fast pace. Also, people are now looking a way bit more into their personal hygiene. My final quoting on this topic is India will fight back against this pandemic, and all thanks to our Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. At last, what I learned from this pandemic is life is all about changes, as quoted in the Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Thank you.
Good morning, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. This is Shruti of Class 12 Science IQCS, wishing you a happy Independence Day. It had been a great and amazing 74 years of India after independence. We have achieved, we are developing, we created, and we were appreciated. But today, we are facing a worldwide novel coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic. Millions of people lost their lives during this pandemic. Many are affected and still struggling for their lives. But we all are together and unite to fight with the situation. That was a time when our whole country and its people fought for the freedom. And the time today when we are fighting together against this virus. Doesn't matter whether it's about independence or a fight against a virus, but we have proof that we are always together. Unity is our strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. But in between, we are also missing some things. Our friendly teachers, big gang of friends, rocking annual days, memorable farewells, so many hands in a single lunchbox, those free periods, remarkable marks, lovely tours and picnics, and many more. Life was just like a heaven. Yes, you're right, we are missing our school days. I hope we'll get back to our routine life soon, but for now, we have to go to the online classes. It's great to stay in school while being at home. Everything is live and teachers do an excellent job making it seem like we are actually in classroom. A heartful thanks to them. A great salute to all the medical staff, health workers, SMC police, etc. who are serving not only to the society but also to the nation in this situation. Coming together is a beginning, planning together is a progress, and working together is a success. Let's take this pandemic positively. Let's spend some time with our family, and I do believe that together we will achieve our success against this pandemic situation. Stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of your near and dear ones. Thank you.